Hi! Welcome back to Cristylicious. I have two guests from Korea and Philippines, Edmond and David.
How about me?
Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to Cristylicious. Now I'm going to show you how to cook Biko with Langka and Latik. Hope you like it.
Hi, good afternoon. Welcome back to Cristylicious. I have three gentlemen guest taster for today. David, my cousin, and Edmond. Okay, let's try now, guys. First, Edmond, David.
Okay,
Oh,
give me one.
Edmond. Try this one. Go. How about you, Lito?
I'm
Are you
good.
going to try
I'm still
or
full.
later? Okay. That's right.
Thank
That's it.
you.
Okay.
Delicious, di na.
Delicious din natin, Edmond!
Match to sa coffee.
Wow! How about you, David?
Just a second.
Okay.
It's different.
Different?
I like it though. I like it. It's very texture is very smooth and very good dessert. I think.
How about the sweetness?
Sweetness. I think it's not too sweet, or I think it's just perfect. I like it.
Kasi, do you wanna taste now?
Later.
Later?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for watching, viewers. And now, Edmond, can you
Please
please...
subscribe and like.
And leave a comment.
Click here.
Cristylicious!